Hey guys, myself Rakesh. I'm teaching about today YouTube latest updates. What is the latest updates going on the 2020 in July in the YouTube channel? So what is updates going on this channel? So for the any question required, please ask me. I'll give the update for in the particular latest update purpose. So what are the updates will be done? So first of all, if we go to the Creator Studio option, you know the already ads are there. Which one? YouTube channel, lot of ads are there. So in this particular ad will be, there are two type of ad revenue is there, less than 10 minutes and more than 10 minutes. What is the monetizations? So how we will be going to the latest updates are going on in the YouTube channel. In this, every particular YouTube channel in the setting option, compulsory we have to know about that. In an advanced setting option, they call here, do you want to set your channel as a made for kids or not? So this will be, we can give option. If it made for kids, you can call yes. If you know, click for no option. This compulsory you can update for your particular YouTube channel setting. This compulsory mandatory field, your YouTube channel made for kids or not, compulsory you have to show to the particular YouTube channel option. Now next option, when I compare to the video edit option, when coming to the monetization, lot of options are there. The type of ads and location for ad now here, before video, during video, after video. There are call option is called manage mid-roll ads. Manage mid-roll ads. What is that? I'll show you. Less than 10 minutes video, this can't enable this option. Less than 10 minutes video, they can't enable this option. I can check for more than 10 minutes video. So which video? Yeah, this video is a more than 10 minutes. I tell you that, go to monetization. In the monetization, the future is called manage mid-roll options. In the mid-roll option, they give future call to set the manual ads the based on the particular seconds. To set the manual ads based on the particular seconds. This is mean by mid-roll ads. So in these mid-roll ads, they give the latest updates. What is the latest updates? Coming to the point, where you can check the latest updates. When coming to the YouTube channel dashboard, the everything will give the news option. Here, customize your channel in studio, learn about this. Here, every information. So YT community, ready to boost your creator studio skills. So these are the particular news. If you want check the YouTube channel monetization updates, they go to option is called monetization. Updates are more important on the YouTube channel to earning the money from YouTube channels. Here, to help increase your monetization potential, we are updating for mid-roll eligibility and preference. You can change your preference by July 27, 2020. In this, there are two options. Learn more, complete details. We can click for learn more option. They explain everything by showing for in this video option. Long form video, that is a 10 minutes or longer. That is mean by to create the mid-roll ads. Next one, here same. Click for open preference. Here, I want to increase my monetization potential with the mid-roll ads automatically. So you want to upload the particular option. So I will individual review and enable mid-roll on new upload and existing videos. When this is, you can manually upload. So for first one is called, I want increase my monetization potential with the mid-roll ads automatically. Placement can manually adjusted by latter. This is a completely manually adjust by latter. And next one, this will be manually, this will be automatically. Which is your preference, we can use it. When preferred by the your manual option, with you can do for your purpose. Here, my content is not suitable by suitable for mid-roll ad breaks. I am worried that mid-roll ads will be decrease my viewership. I am concerned that too many mid-roll ads breaks will be placed. Other option. Suppose if we have to worry about that, which is a better one is called, we can go for first one automatically. No preferred by the manual option. No preferred by the manual option. This help will be given by the YouTube channel. Earn money from your YouTube channel. Learn more here. Here will be given by the particular options. Ad revenue, channel membership, and particular every option will be here. So which is the preference by the latest YouTube monetization. The compulsory we can use in per open preference, select by the automatical option. Don't click for manual. That is a complete for wrong mistake for your particular YouTube channel. Second thing is called coming to the dashboard. This all will be there. Coming to the videos option. In the videos, what are the features are there? Here we can setting for future, corporate clients. Anything will be there. You can check and selecting for description issues. Here will be checked for a check for made for kids, set to made for kids, not made for kids. You can select it and apply it. So your all option, no selection. This all will be search. Monetization, not monetization, anything are there. We can check for here. Any video, they're not suitable for non-montage option. We can check here and fix this issue also. How to fix the issue? We can just edit. So where is the getting error here? The particular more information. So here just select the video language, check for montage option. What is the issue will be here? Select it and start the policy option. Next, a lot of options are there, not only one option. So we can check for every option will be here. Monetization, click for limited. So why it is called limited? So how we can apply for particular ads, the particular limited option. So this is a way we have to check for monetization latest updates. Everything will be there in the particular monetization option to update by the in a particular mid-roll ads on the YouTube channel option. So follow the instructions. How we can make this particular monetization updates. Everything we can follow and increase your YouTube channel revenue. So policy is more important. And if you check, everything will be monetization issues by searching will be the option. This will be available by every channel. So you can check for views. What are the views required? 100. Check for apply. So they are all showing for here. Every information we can check on the particular YouTube channel video for the creator studio option and check for every will be here. So this is called, you can check for updating for monetization for this montage option and check for monetization for two option, not monetization videos and limited ads videos. This will be checked and update it on the YouTube channel, increase your earnings on the YouTube channel option. Further any doubts, your YouTube channel, please comment me in the videos. Who will be not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel. Every updates, I'll update my channel. If anything required on the channel, please comment me. I'll make the video upload by the our channel option.